Alright you guys, so 3 hours later, I'm still deciding if I should drop the subframe or not. But while I finish thinking about it, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little power wash before I actually take out the subframe. That way it'll be semi-clean. Because if I take the subframe off, I'm gonna have to push the car in here, and power washing it in here is gonna be making a lot of mess. So let's get to it. And again guys, I'm using the greaser, industrial greaser. Alright you guys, so the car's inside, well halfway inside, and I kind of don't want to take the subframe off right now because it's not fully inside. Like the rear wheels are still like outside. I don't want to end up taking the subframe off and then like not being able to push it inside. Well, I won't be able to do it by myself because I'll have to lift up the front and then somebody else will have to push it or push it with the truck. So I'll probably end up taking it right now off, and then whenever my brother gets off work, I'll just call him, you know, be like, hey, can you bring your 4-wheeler or something, or your 4x4 truck, and finish pushing it inside. And yeah, that way I won't be wasting time because the paint should be here. Today's the 9th. The paint should be here Thursday or Friday. So as soon as the paint gets here, I want to have everything ready. I want to have everything ready so I can just go to my brother's house, borrow his air compressor, and spray it down. It's basically this bolt, these 3, same on the other side, and then that one right there if y'all can see it, and then that one, and then 2 in the back. So it should be pretty easy. So let's get to it. That literally hit me in my knee. The wheel basically just went pop, hit me in my knee. Pop. It hurt. Oh dang, it wasn't the wheel. Holy crap. I was taking off the brake lines on the sides, that way they won't break whenever the subframe came off. And as I was moving the tire to loosen up to get to the bolt and have some space, the subframe kind of just made its way to the floor. So I guess after all, you don't have to fully take off the center support of the transmission. So as y'all can see, the subframe is off. Subframe's out, you guys. Now I just got it set in the corner. I just got to put it somewhere so it won't be on the way. And I honestly think this is about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Stay tuned for no videos. Next thing I'm gonna do is scuff down the engine bay and prime it, and then wait for the paint to get here. All we're waiting for is just the paint and the harness. I'm supposed to be ordering the harness. I don't know if I should get the new one or there's this guy that sells it to me. I don't know. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please share with your abuela, abuelo, mama, papa, brother, sister, everybody. Share, share, share. Thank you.